Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe, and if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. I know I look like I just woke up still. It's too early. Well, it's not too early. Right now it's around 9 in the morning and it's kind of gloomy. So today what's going on is we're gonna go to Dreamtech Auto. We're gonna do some maintenance for the Yaris. I'm gonna do a behind the scene of that one, and also I think we're changing my lights to an LED lights or something. I'm gonna ask him whatever he's changing into it. Also, we're swapping our winter tires. We're getting rid of it now since it's getting a little bit warmer already. As you guys can see, they're all wrapped with garbage bags. Well, that's my summer wheels. So we're gonna grab coffee first before we head down to Dreamtech Auto. Okay, see you guys there. Morning.
Hello.
Morning.
How are you?
Good.
What's new today?
New lights. Peter getting some love today. Hey guys, so we're here now at Dreamtech, and yep, Vinny here is gonna change my wheels.
Hi guys.
What else we gonna do? Oil change and
Lights.
And gonna do a quick checkup, right?
Yeah, complete checkup. Joe's gonna be taking this on a long trip, so we're gonna make sure he's safe.
Yeah, so some of you guys might not know, I'm going for a road trip. I'm going to California, taking this car. This car have a lot of mileage, and I just want to see how far can it go. And yeah, well, I'm also picking up something from there. That's why I'm going there, and also visiting my family. So might as well just drive all the way down there instead of flying and just have fun. So the wheels are on now. I know it's just dirty. I'll see if I have a chance on washing the car. I know that wheel gap is so bad, but you guys will see it when he put it down. But we're still gonna do the oil change and probably check the filter. He's gonna do a bunch of stuff. Well, he checked the brakes. The brakes are still good, he said, and we're gonna check the suspension, make sure there's nothing loose, that I'll be safe going all the way to Cali, and well, that's the goal. Make sure I'll get there in one piece and get back in one piece. So I pretty much lost all the
center splash shield.
The splash shield.
Fender liner here.
Fender liner's gone. There's my cold air intake.
It's the problem of being lowered.
Yep, lowered lifestyle. What else? So most likely I'm just thinking about putting a splitter here, also like a longer one, to pretty much become the splash guard and kind of like protect the engine components there in a way. Well, we'll see this summer how it goes, and I'm thinking about it. Let me know your opinion if I should do it to this beater just for fun, you know, because look at that bumper, look at this. I'm freaking screaming every time I go to like a rump like a speed bump or something. So I'm thinking of adding a thing. Look at this. It's also trying. It's gonna come apart now. This is the only thing that's left. The winter is pretty bad here in Toronto, so yep. We'll see what happens. These tires are trash. Use it for a good few winter. It looks thick still, but if you guys can see it closely, it's been warping. It's causing a vibration in my car that's freaking bothering me this whole winter. But Vinny just say just kill the winter because it's almost done. So I kept it for a bit, and the other tires are good. Only this tires, but yeah. Vin is like so busy right now, getting busier, and he's doing multitasking. He's working on another customer's car outside, so just saying. Yeah, so that's what's happening right now. I'm not in a rush or anything at the moment. I think the car is pretty safe to go. We're just doing the oil change, draining the oil right now, and what else we're doing? Oh, the lights. So we're waiting for the bulb. I mean, for the LED lights to come. I'm gonna show how it looks right now. It's an HID, but my HID is like been in the car for almost 2 years. Yeah, so it's coming out now.
Good as new.
That's the HID right now. Look, busted. And look at this. It turned yellow. Like right away. See that? See that? It looks like a halogen now. So that's why we're changing the lights, because what's done? The ballast, right? Yeah. Most likely the ballast is done, so instead of replacing it with HID, replacing it with 1 minute is sorry. So we're replacing it with LED lights. He won't focus on his car. That's funny. Now it focused. Look at this guy. Who's coming out?
Did someone call Uber Eats?
Yes.
That was
No,
me.
skip the dishes, bro. What's up, Nav?
What's going on, everybody?
Yo, what happened to your car, bro?
What you talking about?
I'm just joking.
He always does that. Every single time. Every single time. Wanna get the drinks out? Shit, right?
Uber Eats here, bringing us some food.
We have
Thanks, bro.
a install coming today. I'll show you boys right now.
You got your new tires?
It's about to be catless today.
Oh, really?
Right, Vinny?
Catalyst downpipe installing today?
If my trunk would open.
Downpipe.
We're going back to Chrome.
What?
Going back to
Of course,
chrome?
we have to.
Are we really?
No. Definitely not. That would be nice. Let's put this.
A lot of things going on today for Nav2.
But not going on yet though. The rims are not going on yet. I have to get my
Not
coilovers.
yet.
Get my coilovers.
Coilovers first.
Go ahead, guys.
Nice, not bad interior. This is Nav's new car. Red interior. Ooh. Red paddle shifter. Not bad, not bad. Well, you'll see this car more on the meets with me when I go to meets later on this season. So yeah, usually it's Nav that I usually go to meets. Are you selling this one again?
Sorry? No.
For sure?
This I'm not selling. This needs to go on the car.
So if you guys go to BMW True North, look at this guy. This guy only sell like parts.
I'm buy and sell basically. I buy parts and I sell them. That's it. You make money
Yep.
off of them. That's
Look
how
at
you
this
do it.
snake. Beautiful.
The best part's not even there. The best part's on this one.
Ooh. Look at that. BRSF.
That's what I like to see.
Is that what's going on today?
It's actually going on
On this car?
this car over there, actually.
On the Yaris?
That car over there today.
Yeah, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be so loud and it won't even fit.
Wait, yeah, there's an exhaust rule there, right?
Yeah.
Which sucks.
Huh?
Which sucks.
I know.
The exhaust rule in California? The exhaust law?
Yeah, I'm going to California, bro. So yesterday we didn't get to finish the lights and we're doing it today. I just had to leave yesterday because I had a meeting, so Vinny's gonna finish up the lights today. So, okay, let's get to it. Ooh, look at that. Cold air intake.
And the bumper's off, guys.
Bumpers off, taking off the lights. I know it's super faulty. Look at it. But I have a cold air intake. Cold air intake and exhaust. That's the only, well, it's lowered as well with Run Sport Spring. Those are just the few mods of this Yaris. That's about it. Just audio system as well. I got Pioneer all around. And upgrading the lights to LED. So guys, this is the HID. This one is already messed up. Right now, look, it's fading. The color's changing from an HID color to kind of look like an halogen now. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's what it is in my naked eye. And this is the LED, which is a lot brighter. Less wiring and stuff, less mess. And yeah, so this one will be get cleaned up for sure. Am I right?
Yep.
So we're getting rid of all those stupid harness that I used to run when I have HIDs. See, look at the difference now. Because the ballasts are gone, right?
Yeah.
For this one, so the colors are changing, and the LED, I think it has a built-in ballast into it already, so
yes.
It's a lot better. It has high beam as well. Oh, pretty sick. Oh my god, so I don't have to worry about the DRL and shit, so alright, let's get to it.
It's actually a better kit than the one that I put in my Ridgeline.
I'm gonna let him finish up with the lights. So just to let you guys know, like when changing the bulb with the Yaris, you really have to take off the bumper. Like, to get access to it, like, easily. Because if you don't take it off, what happens is either you scratch up your hand trying, not unless if you have skinny hands, but I'll be honest, look at my hands, it's pretty big, so I can't like just slide it in there. So you really have to take off the bumper to make life easier, and I'll be honest, it's a lot faster to get it done. So Vinny, I'm pretty sure you have a fat hands too like me.
Yup.
So that's why we took off the bumper. What about Chippy? Show me your hands.
They're big, man.
Big too, so yep, bumper has to come off. Winter.
That's it.
See if it comes off.
No, it's
No.
sturdier than the clips.
No. I tried.
Test run before Sunday.
Oh, I did just the other day. Without the clips too.
I used the 12. The 10.
Throwing out this piece of shit. Where's the garbage? Garbage. Garbage. Throwing out this piece of shit. Bye. Okay, so guys, the car is done now. I'm closing up the video. I hope you guys like what you guys just saw, and I'll see you guys next time.